कसं होता एक्सपिरियन्स ते सांग. आवडलं? एन्जॉय.
हे गाईज, वेलकम बॅक टू आवर चॅनल सुमित 1217. आज मी कुठे आली आहे माहिती आहे? मितूल आलेला लिटिल कॅम्पसाठी 4 डेजचा कॅम्प होता तो. सो आज त्याचा लास्ट डे आहे आणि तिथे लाईक काय काय तो प्रोग्राम टाईप त्यांनी बनवलेला. आता तो काय झाला तर हा फुल व्हिडिओ बघा, मी तुम्हाला कळेल. सो व्हिडिओ फुल बघायचा आहे तुम्ही आणि व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.
Okay. Means we have to make over here. We have to opposite, right? उचलणं चालू करायचं. 4 3 2 1. Okay. 4 3 2 1. So we have to think. So 1 2 3 4. Okay. So if I will remove this and keep it here. It will be like 1 2 3 4. Okay.
4 days is not enough to build vocabulary or to build language, but we've tried our best to at least make your children confident. And when you go back home, you talk to them, I'm sure you will realize that their confidence levels have gone up. Is it right, children? Yes. Okay, I want all of you here. Come quickly. All the children here. Line up. You know your dialogue. Come. Come. Now I realize when parents are there, children definitely behave differently. Okay. Can we start? Grisha?
We are little leaders.
We are little leaders.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
I can lead.
I can lead.
Okay. So we wanted you to guess their voices. I wanted you all to stand there. Do you want to do that quickly? 1 2 rounds. Parents just stand there, face the wall, and they'll call you up. Okay? Chalo. Oh no. Ask them. Courage. Run. Arvi. Again. Music play karta. Music. Acha, okay. Stand there. Okay. Okay, children, are we ready? Okay. Okay. I have no person. Okay. Next. Okay. She has got it.
Papa.
Okay. Papa got it right.
Daddy.
Loudly. Mama got it right. No, Mama still got it. Very nice.
Mummy.
अरे वाह. Okay.
Bhaiya.
Bhaiya. Okay.
Daddy. Didi.
दीदी आलू में बढ़ेगी. दीदी got that.
Mama.
Yay! Everybody is left to do Sanj. Oh, sorry. Spoiler. Loudly.
Mama.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, parents, come now. Your children, they are amazing. For now, because some of them are really getting angry. Okay, so without wasting any time, whatever qualities I have identified in your children, I will try to felicitate them. So you've got small medals for them. Okay, children, I'll call out your name. You have to come here and take your medals. Alright, I would request parents only to felicitate. Alright, so can we, who will come first? I want one of you to do the honors. Ma'am, please come, you were the first one. Pura go. we'll start with the penalty. ठीक है? Okay, we'll start with the छोटा packet बड़ा धमाका. Somebody who kept everybody on toes because she wanted to do everything, be it jumping, be it dancing, be it talking. Arvi, what was your word for today? What do we say in French for hello? What was your word? Shivansh, what was the word?
Bonjour.
What was the word? Arvi, what was the word?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Come. So, Arvi is a little joy spreader. This medal goes to her. Arvi, come, run.
Arvin, run fast.
Come. Stand here. Yes. So, a little joy spreader is Arvi Naik. Award here is creative leader. Somebody who had lot of ideas and was never short of them. And that is Vibhor. Vibhor, come. So our creative leader is Vibhor. Congratulations, Vibhor. Okay, next up we have confident leader. Somebody right from day one who had maximum confidence. Anybody would like to guess who it is? I heard the name. Somebody said it. Manish. Come, Manish. Children, can we not clap? Okay. Somebody who has been bright but a little lazy. But I must tell you, every time I gave him something to be done, he showed me a new way of doing it. So a bright leader of our camp is Jude. Jude, come. In fact, today also he surprised me with a lot of things. Congratulations, Jude. Okay, now we have somebody who's always cool. Okay, right from day one till now, and who's aced every task. And that is a rock star leader. Anybody would like to guess who is a rock star leader? Harshit. Harshit. Any other guesses? No guesses? Okay, straight to the result. It is Mithul. Mithul, come. Let's clap once. Congratulations, Mithul. Okay, another one. Courageous leader. Somebody who had courage and tried everything on all the 4 days. Any guesses? Harshit is come. Jidnya. Come, Jidnya. Congratulations, Jidnya. Okay, we can clap. Thank you. Ma'am, will you come? Please come. Okay, next up we have somebody. Let me tell you, this is a girl, and she really surprised me because whichever physical activity it was, she was first or second, and in most of the tasks she was first. Okay, so this is an active leader. Any guesses? You also know result. Who was winning it? Thinking power chala gaya. Who was winning it? Huh? Nidhi? No, this is Grisha was winner for musical chair, for the walks, for the jumps that we had, for everything. Then clap for Grisha. Come on. Okay. Then we have motivation leader who needs motivation herself today. Sanj. Sanj, every day she would tell us, hey, patkan hote, kaisa hote. Ha, Sanj, kai kara? We need to give 2 to Sanj because she was friends with everybody. So Sanj is getting friendship leader as well as motivation leader. Take Sanj. This is for you. Okay. Next time I'm not inviting your parents. No. Let them see it on videos only. That's better that way. We can clap children first. Took care of everybody in the camp and was always happy. So this is our caring leader. Any guesses? You also don't know only your friends. Huh? Okay. Caring leader is Nidhi. Nidhi. come.
Nidhi.
We'll clap for Nidhi. Congratulations, Nidhi. Okay, next up we have positive vibe leader. Okay, positive in the sense आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी हो but he or she would want to try. Any guesses who this is? No? Okay, this is Mitul again. Mitul, claps. Okay, next up we have a smart leader. Smart in doing all the things that we had planned, and that is Satvik. Satvik, come. Thank you. Would anybody else want to come? Jude's mother. Okay, so next up we have problem solver, who dealt with everybody and with all the tasks. And now you can say that name. Which name was coming again and again?
Harshit.
Harshit. Harshit it is. Come. Ma'am, please. We clap for Harshit. Congratulations, Harshit. Okay. And future leader. Somebody who has the qualities and can lead in future. Shiva.
Shivansh. Smart boy.
Okay, and now we have a happy leader. Somebody who was happy doing everything, irrespective of her age. Is she there? Hello. She's also my tiffin partner. Every day, wherever I am, she'll pull me. Maja barabar bus ani tha. And I had to share my tiffin. So the happy leader of the camp is RV Naik again. RV come. RV come.
तिचं एक पडलं.
We'll clap for RV. And absolute all-rounder. Somebody who aced every single task, every single thing, very confident while talking, never said no, and the attitude was, I can do it. So my all-rounder leader is Arvi. Arvi, come. Big round of applause. Congratulations, Arvi. So, thank you parents, thank you everybody. You all believed in us, and I hope that your children had great time with us, and I hope you would want to join us again in future. Thank you for everything.
Thank you
Thank
so
very much for
much.
coming.
Thank you.
Please take it done. Since there are pens, please write. Okay, thank you parents.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody. Before come, take your drawing home. Harshit, Arvi, Satvik, Mitul, Nidhi, Yuvan, Shivansh. Please take all your things, your bag, water bottle, everything.
Feedbacks of the parent and the kids. Now look at me. मितुल दाखव तुझं फिंगर दाखव. Nice.